Zoom in to about 400% to see the boy's shirt clearly. The colored dots you see are artifacts of the scanning process. Choose Filter, Noise, Dust and Scratches. In the Dust and Scratches dialog box, leave the default settings with a radius of 1 pixel and a threshold at 0, and click OK. The threshold value determines how dissimilar the pixels should be before they are eliminated. The radius value determines the size of the area searched for dissimilar pixels. The default values are great for tiny dots of color, like the ones in this image. Now that the artifacts are gone, you can sharpen the image. Choose Filter, Sharpen, Smart Sharpen. In the Smart Sharpen dialog box, make sure that Preview is selected so you can see the effect of settings you adjust in the document window. You can drag inside the preview window in the dialog box to see different parts of the image, or you can use the magnification buttons below the thumbnail to zoom in and out. Make sure Lens Blur is chosen in the Remove menu. You can choose to remove Lens Blur, Gaussian Blur, Motion Blur in the Smart Sharpen dialog box. Lens Blur provides finer sharpening of the detail and reduced sharpening halos. Gaussian Blur increases contrast along the edges in an image, while Motion Blur reduces the effects of blur that resulted from the camera or the subject moving when the photo was taken. Drag the amount slider to about 60% to sharpen the image. Drag the radius slider to about 1.5. The radius value determines the number of pixels surrounding the edge pixels that affect the sharpening. The higher the resolution, the higher the radius setting should usually be. When you're satisfied with the results, click OK to apply the Smart Sharpen filter. Then choose File, Save, and close the project file. Your image is ready to share or print.